The Holy Stone is a familiar drone creator company. It creates high-quality quadcopters with stunning features. The Holy Stone HS175 is one of these drones that comes with advanced capabilities. This drone is perfect for beginner users and experienced drone pilots. Yet before buying this drone, you need a Holy Stone HS175 review to gain an accurate idea about this drone and its features. Here I will give you a sanctified Holy Stone HS175 drone review which will help you make your decision. Design and build quality. The Holy Stone HS175 is a foldable drone with an amazing design. The foldable fuselage design will let you make the drone small in size to allow storing the drone for outdoor traveling. This feature is also handy for outdoor traveling. This RC quadcopter comes with a durable design. This lightweight drone is made of ABS plastic which is very stable. CISN. Camera condition. Nowadays, we buy drones for their aerial photos and videos. That's why a high-quality camera is essential for a drone. This amazing drone has a 2K UHD camera with a 120-degree wide angle and 90-degree adjustable vertical angle. This camera will allow you to capture real-time images on your phone. Again, this FPV drone will allow you to enjoy a terrific experience of the first-person view. GPS Auto Return. GPS Auto Return is a magical feature. This magic prevents your drone from losing even if low power conditions and lost connection scenarios. To use this feature, you have to set a point first as a takeoff place. Whenever you feel that the drone is out of sight or the situation is out of control, press the button on the controller, and the drone will fly back to the set point. Thus, using the GPS Auto Return Home feature will let you enjoy flying the drone without worries. Battery subject matter. The Holy Stone HS175 drone comes with two modular batteries of 1,300 mAh and two USB charging cables. So, you can charge two batteries simultaneously, which will decrease your waiting period flying the drone and extend flight time. Each battery has 22 minutes of max flight time. That means you will have 44 minutes of battery life, which is just a fantastic period for an affordable drone. I do not think you will need any spare batteries if you buy this amazing drone. I did the Holy Stone HS175 drone review, and I will recommend anyone to buy this drone. It is a budget drone for beginners, photographers, travelers, bloggers, and children. Anyone with this quadcopter drone will have a terrific flying experience using a lot of advanced features. It will be the best gift for a child or a new drone lover. So, the last word about the Holy Stone HS175 drone is, this is the best quadcopter at an affordable price for any user. If you want, you can compare it with Holy Stone HS165.